Alright, okay friends, so today we are going to learn a math strategy that will help us when we are working with word problems. So, my strategy is called TIPS, and I have a copy for each of you.
Yay! Yay.
So I'm going to read through this. You can follow along with your finger, please. So we're at the top. It's called TIPS. The T stands for think. You see that? The T. Then the I is information. I like how you're following along with your finger, Robert. The P is plan. And the S is solve. So now we're going to read what each of these things entail. Can I have your eyes on me, Max? Alright, so the T, think. You're going to think, what is the problem asking me? And that will be told in the words that are in the problem. Restate the question in as few words as possible to make the problem more simple. The I, eliminate the extra information. Write the numbers with their labels. So if we're working with money, we're going to use our dollar signs or our cent sign. Yes, you have a question?
Why is Miss watching that?
Because I'm teaching right now.
Why?
Because
she has homework.
Yep.
She has homework?
Yep, so you help her. You're good.
Yep. You can go in a few minutes, okay? So, with information, we're going to look for and write keywords. So that goes along with our labels. P, which is plan. You're going to draw a picture or number sentence that represents the problem. So you're going to make hundreds if there's hundreds, but I don't think we'll get that high. Or you can draw circles or whatever. S, solve. Solve the problem by carrying out your plan and showing all your work. I need to see what you're thinking, and it helps you get your thinking on the page to help you get to the right answer.
I don't know what to do.
And does it answer the question? So, when we're solving, are we answering the question that we thought about when we first started? So, I have some packets for you. The first one. So, I'm going to model using the TIPS strategy. Then we're going to do one together, and then I'm going to have you try one on your own. Okay? So, the first one, I'm going to show you the whiteboard. So, let's see. Max, could you read this problem to me so that I can use my tip strategy to try to solve it? Max, can you read it to me?
Sally and had 48 skateboards. Stickers. Her 40 brother gave her 36 more.
Skateboard
stickers. How many does she have now?
So I am going to, they were 48 and 36. So I'm going to think about what the problem is asking me. The problem is asking me, how many stickers does Sally have after her brother gave her 36 more? So some of the keywords or information that I found were the word more, which means we're adding two numbers together. And also, my question is, how many does she have now? So I'm trying to find the total of these two.
Number.
Yep, the number. So now I'm going to solve, because I did the T, I, and the P.
What it is.
You do? Okay, so I'm going to do it, and then you can check me if I'm wrong.
Being recorded.
You're not being recorded, just Miss Davenport is. Do your best.
So, I solved the problem.
Yay, that was my answer.
So I used the T,
That's actually my answer.
the I, the P, and the S. And I also put my label, which was stickers. Alright.
It's like you switch places.
Do you have any questions about using the TIPS strategy? We're going to do one together. Here you go.
I didn't really
And
switch.
there you go. Alright, so we're going to do this one together.
Dividing.
No.
Dividing.
Alright,
Like
so.
to like 2001, like,
We're
I
not
know
going
how
to
to
divide
do
today.
that.
Okay. Alright, tips. So, you're going to think. You're going to think about the information. You're going to plan, and you're going to solve the problem. Does that sound good, Robert?
This
Yes, it does.
I trust you, Cameron. 2001.
Alright, ready? So we're going to listen so we can think and plan and solve. So, here we go. 6 girls and 7 boys want to ride the Python roller coaster together. Can everyone have a partner to ride with?
Python.
It's a roller coaster.
Kind of snake too.
Yep, that's the name of our roller coaster. So, 6 girls and 7 boys want to ride the Python roller coaster together. Can everyone have a partner to ride with? So, what are we going to think about? What should we think about with this problem?
Nope.
So I like, what are you thinking, Max?
If it's
So we're going to think about what the problem is asking you.
this.
Oh, you guys need markers. That might help. There you go. So write what the problem is asking you. So that would be, how are you going to set up your word problem solution? What picture are you going to draw? Is there any information in this problem that you need to eliminate? So is it extra? 6 plus 7. How did you guys know to add? Were there keywords that helped you?
Yeah, it's obvious.
I just
How is it
Because 7
obvious?
plus 7 is 14, and 6 plus 6 is 12.
Yep, that's
If you
true.
put these two instead, you switch them, then you but then you just put them out, and then you switch them in, then you 6 in this, it's like 6 over here, and like 2 6 over here, and 2 7s over there, and like 2 switch spots.
So you took a 6 and a 7 and you got
That's me a
13.
camera.
So, but I'm asking, how did you know to add?
That's not a camera.
Josiah, how did you know to add? Did it say you need to add these two numbers together?
It said plus.
It said plus?
Yeah.
Where did it say that?
6. It said equal.
And 7 boys want to ride the Python roller coaster
Together.
together. Can everyone have a partner to ride with?
Right. So, it said 6 and 7. So that and told me that I'm going to take the girls' part and the boys' part, and I'm going to put them together to make a whole.
And that's 13.
Yep, I agree. But 13 what?
13.
13 Barbies?
13 people. Can go
13
on.
people can go on the ride, yes. Alright, erase your boards.
What do you want this?
Okay, we're going to go
I wouldn't want the green
to
one.
another one.
I wouldn't want the green one.
You guys are doing a great job right now.
Alright, next problem.
I better not be seeing that recorder.
Next one, we're going to, I want you to try to solve this by yourself using your tip strategy.
I don't know what to read.
I can help you. So, the next one
And then I will get the paper.
says, I'm going to change the numbers so you're going to have to listen to me. Sally had 20 airplane stickers. She gave 10 of them to Franco.
What?
How
Say it
many
again.
airplane stickers does Sally have now?
This is I get.
Yep. Sally had 20 airplane stickers. She gave 10 of them to Franco. How many airplane stickers does Sally have now?
I got it.
You want me to repeat it one more time?
I got.
Okay. Yep, that's right. So Sally had 20 airplane stickers. She gave 10 of them to Franco. How many airplane stickers does Sally have now?
You would have to just write it down.
Yeah, you copied me.
No.
So this right here
Wait.
says 2.
You fix. I got
0. You have 0 tens and 2 ones. Can you switch your tens and your ones around? Thank you. Because Sally had 20 to begin with.
Yeah, and now it's 10.
10 what?
It's a daisy.
Stickers.
10 stickers. Because what was our question?
It's a takeaway.
It is a takeaway. How did you know?
20 minus 10.
Because I listened.
See, Sally had 40 airplane stickers. She had gave 27 away of them to Franco. Because she gave,
Yep, so she had some and then she gave them away. So she no longer had them, so we had to take them away or subtract. Does that make sense? Yes.
That's why I don't do that.
All right.
Not with that camera.
One more word problem.
There's no camera there. There is a camera. Look.
All right, here we go.
I mean, they said
I know what a camera looks like.
All right. Can I have your listening ears, please? And voices off. Can you raise your board?
there's no camera there.
All right. Are you ready?
Okay, ready.
All right. Are you ready over here? Okay. Franco, again, and Jake were playing cover-up with 30 counters. Franco hid some of the counters. He left 20 showing. How many counters did Franco hide? So we're going to have to think about what the problem is asking. Eliminate any extra information and plan how are you going to solve this problem. So Franco and Jake, Franco and Jake were playing cover up with 30 counters. Franco hid some of the counters. He left 20 showing. How many counters did Franco hide? So what operation are we going to use?
Say that again?
Yes. Franco and Jake were playing cover up with 30 counters. Franco hid some of the counters. He left 20 showing. How many counters did Franco hide?
Stop copying me, Robert.
Not copying
Because you are.
No.
I saw you look at my paper.
Yep, so how did you get that?
Yes, you did.
That's the right answer, but how did you get it?
Because it makes sense. Because that
0
one
and
has
0.
one more 10.
Is that a 0? What's that?
3 minus 2 is 0? No. What's 3 minus 2? Or what's 30 minus 20?
I know it. I know. See?
Where'd you get 16?
You know?
I changed it to 20.
You're smart.
You are very smart.
You changed it to 20.
I did change it to 20.
Why?
Because it's nice numbers.
Okay,
No,
you
I changed
changed
this to
all
20.
the numbers.
Sorry.
You changed all
Yes,
the numbers.
10 what?
You actually visually took up the rest of the numbers out.
What do we have 10 of?
10 counters. Wait.
10 counters.
Hide.
What was he hiding?
10 counters.
Yep, 10 counters.